Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Learning Spot. Today we are going to learn some amazing sea animal name. Are you ready? Let's get started. Fish, fish, shark, shark, dolphin, dolphin, whale, whale, octopus, octopus, jellyfish, jellyfish, seahorse, seahorse, starfish, starfish, crab, crab, lobster, lobster, shrimp, shrimp, clam, clam, oyster, oyster, squid, squid, sea turtle, sea turtle, seal, seal, sea lion, sea lion, walrus, walrus, manatee, manatee, stingray, stingray, eel, eel, sea urchin, sea urchin, sea anemone, sea anemone, coral, coral, barnacle, barnacle, sea cucumber, sea cucumber, mussel, mussel, manta ray, manta ray, pufferfish, pufferfish, swordfish, swordfish,